Hey, Carl needs a hand. Oh, we're going to light the fire. That's just a prelude of what we're going to do. Hey, Paul Jones. Carl, make sure everyone's got a power.
Leave that to the young fellas.
Yeah, I think so.
You know what? I come camping. I don't have to touch the wood because I've already touched it. Yeah, touch it. That's it. Yeah.
Sure you got enough rope for this?
David, mate. David? Yeah. Carl. Cut that out. Nothing. Tied it up beautifully.
Seven-star rating. Do you get discounts or
Just going to film those for my wife.
all day at the shopping mall?
Beautiful. What was your name again?
David.
David.
Molino.
Morino.
Molino.
Molino.
See that support in the middle of that green?
Think about it.
And then when you walk in from visiting, you gain.
Apparently there's 20 of us and there's 2 more to come. That's including Mike Rona. So he'll be here soon. Here's my camp.
Is there anything that's not too hot there? Are they all spicy?
No, this is not hot.
I'm not close enough to the toilet.
Yeah.
It's okay. Thank you.
Spicy one, please. David.
That was 2 years ago. Yeah, I've heard about that. Me and people can't come when we went to Manchester. What was that we went when you went to helping the man? What should we do?
That's right.
Remember? Look at the bomb. What's in that?
Coriander sugar.
Oh goodness.
That's a recipe from his wife's village.
Wow.
It's not bad. Otherwise,
They're beautiful.
I'm not sure if there's enough.
And pepper.
Chili, not pepper.
There's the right amount of chili.
I'll give my
That's
papa
like-
now.
That's the result of Cillian marrying a Thai girl.
She's not tired.
A hot sausage. That flavour's beautiful.
Sure.
Down, morning. Hey! Ah! You know that's good. Game. I'm getting baby and slug jump.
Kookaburras are coming over.
You can keep in the fridge for even 6-8 weeks. Burn that.
Did bacon go with things?
Anyway, this sausage are ready now.
Yeah, who wants the sausage?
Well, this is the Hauka River. Don't ask me to spell that. Apparently, it's full of trout and other species. As you can see, it's running quite fast as we had rain last night, but beautiful. I'll walk back to the camp. Oh. Not sure if it picks it up on camera, but oh, he's gone. That was a kookaburra. There's lots of them here. The river is beautiful, as most rivers are.
Oh yeah, you did not throw it like that. You threw it like...
Looks good, Carl. Carl is the
Go again, Tim. I won't flinch.
chef.
Go into us. That's squashes. That's squashes. The other day, we're working. You're plenty of pasta, boys. Is that nearly ready to go, is it? Cook half around now.
Raceway, because the owner of Big Paul actually races Porsches.
Ah,
Went in there with him, honestly, mate. I had to tell him to stop. I was going to.
oh really?
When I drive, I'm fine because I can control what I'm doing.
Yeah,
When I can't control what I'm doing,
and your mind's occupied, isn't it?
yeah, exactly right.